This video to show you how to hijack your mornings, kickstart it, and get out the door on the right foot. If you were like me, you found yourself standing in front of the coolers at gas stations, spending loads of money on Red Bull, Monsters, Mountain Dew, coffee, whatever you could find to put into your body to get the caffeine in there. The problem is you're putting junk into your body, you're spending way too much money, and you're going to drop off. You're going to hit the wall, and you're going to need more of it to get you through the day. Here's the solution. Let me introduce you to a product by a company called MTN OPS. It's called Ignite. This stuff is great. It is loaded with vitamins and minerals to get your day going and to keep you going. You only need to drink this one time a day and you're good to go. Let me show you how to do it. Super simple. You're going to take your shaker bottle. This one came free when I bought the product from MTN OPS. You're going to open it up. You're going to fill it full of water. I go full of water because, hey, you can't get too much water in the mornings in your body. Next, you're going to take a scoop of the Ignite. This is the pink lemonade flavor. I love it. It's my favorite, but they have a ton of different flavors that you can use. Dump it in, put the cap on, shake this bad boy up, drink up, and you're good to go. Your mornings are supercharged. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up.